I'm at the beach currently, but I'm going to do a list of things that don't make sense to me. Starting off first, we have extinct animals. How did you know that they're all gone? Did you check the entire planet? Like, for example, if there's, like, I'm going to Google it. I just Googled and apparently there's this thing called the frilled shark that's been extinct. How do you know? You know, we've only discovered like 10% of the ocean. How do you know that there is not one more? You don't. Languages, don't get it. We made up sounds and, like, I'm just making sounds right now, but you know what I'm talking about. Like, for example, I could say, ooh, ah, and that could mean water bottle, but it doesn't. But water bottle is a sound like ooh, ah. You know what I mean? Boats and planes, I get there's science behind it, but I don't understand how I can drop a coin into a fountain, like at the shops, and it'll just sink straight away, but the Titanic exists and floated. Same with planes. Don't know how it actually can be that heavy and still fly. I get there's like propellers and shit. I get there's science, but like at the same time, it makes no sense. CDs and records. How is a movie on a disc? How does it play? Especially like back in the day, like we grew up with that, but like how? Who put the movie on the disc? Whoa, I'm actually like trying to think about this now. Who actually put that whole movie on the disc and multiplied it to sell multiple times? Same with records, like when you put a record on and it plays a song, what the fuck? How does the sound of like a song play off that? Like, it's just plastic. I don't get it. Wow, I really don't get them. Also with that one, just like videoing like a camera, I don't understand how, you know, the earth started off looking like this and then all of a sudden you're on the other side of the world and you can see this video. I don't know how it's capturing me right now. I don't know. Where does the fat go when you lose weight? Like, literally, where does it go? I get like sweat and things, but like a lot of like fat skin, it just goes away and I just don't know how. Medicine, you know, if my finger hurts and I take Panadol, how does it know to go there? Why doesn't it go to my leg, you know? And like, how does it actually work? I just, yeah, well, debt, don't get it. We made money, print more money to owe the people we owe money to. Like, I just don't get it. Like, literally, and like, same with like money online, like when you use like Apple Pay. Why can't my paycheck just add another zero onto my paycheck? Like, it's just digital. When COVID hit, they gave us all like disaster payments and I got like $750 that week. Why can't you just do that like every now and then, you know? Like, it's just not even real. Space, how are we technically discovering more things? Well, we can't even be discovering it because we make words up. So like Pluto might not even be Pluto. We just made a word up for it. We don't know. Like, how do I know this is a stick? Like, I can't explain the way my mind works. Bluetooth, obviously, how can a speaker just travel with sound through the air? There's, like for part 2,